Struggling to join mobile games on Roblox? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix the issue so you can get back to enjoying your favorite games. First, open the Roblox app on your smartphone. Normally, you'd select a game and tap the green play button to start, but if that isn't working, don't panic. There are a few things you can try to fix it. Start by tapping the More button in the bottom right corner of the app. Scroll down and select Settings, then tap on Account Info. Here, check two important things. Make sure your email address is verified. If it's not, tap Verify, and Roblox will send you an email. Open that email and follow the link to verify your account. Check if your age is verified. If it says verified, you're all set. If not, tap Verify My Age and follow the instructions to confirm your birth date. Age verification is crucial since some games have age restrictions. If everything is verified but you're still unable to join games, the next step is to clear the app's data and cache. Close the Roblox app and head to your phone's settings. Scroll down and select Apps or App Management depending on your device. Search for Roblox and tap on it. In the app settings, tap on Storage. From here, select Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. This removes any temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Once that's done, reopen the Roblox app, log back into your account, and try joining a game again. These steps usually resolve most issues and get the app functioning smoothly. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and gaming guides.